There's two kind of big CNC tools for generating tool paths in the world, and Carveco is one of them, and VCarve is the other. Carveco kind of takes an old school approach to things, so the learning curve is a little steeper than it is for, say, VCarve. VCarve is, you can do the creation, like the shape creation in VCarve.
What do you recommend for someone starting CNC?
If you're starting right from scratch, start with something like Easel.
Yeah, that's the easiest one to pick up on. That's what I started with.
More or less free. It's got some crazy restrictions on the free one, but it'll get you to through the understanding of what a path is, and selecting the right tool for the right seat and that kind of stuff. But you're going to want to get out of Easel quickly, and then you can make a jump to I wouldn't say Carveco. So VCarve has or Vectric has a graduated set of products. The cheapest one is something called Vectric Carve 2D, and it's really cheap, and it's kind of they're all kind of subsets or supersets of the one below them. So Carve 2D is the lowest end of the market